This digital stream represents raw internet traffic, data vulnerable to interception. We will establish an encrypted tunnel for that data directly within your browser. By the end of this module, you will have a free VPN active in Mozilla Firefox, allowing you to route your connection through a secure server. Before we begin, ensure your computer is powered on and your operating system is running without any active error messages. Now, launch Mozilla Firefox. Confirm that the browser is fully loaded and responsive before you attempt to modify its configuration. Ensuring the browser is stable and the system is ready minimizes the risk of the installation hanging or failing during the setup process. To begin the navigation, look to the top right corner of the Firefox interface. Click the three-line menu icon to display the browser's primary settings and management options. From this menu, locate and click on Extensions and Themes to open the Internal Add-ons Manager. Once the manager opens, look at the sidebar and click on the Extensions section. At the top of this page, click the Find More Add-ons link to access the official repository where new tools are hosted. Navigating to this marketplace is a necessary step to find and install tools that are verified to work within the Firefox ecosystem. In the search bar, type VPN and press Enter. You will see a wide range of results, but you should not simply select the first one you see. As this diagram shows, the store contains many different options. You must verify a tool's reputation by looking at its historical community data. Start by identifying extensions that maintain a high star rating from a large number of users. Next, scroll down to read the user reviews. These testimonials provide specific details on whether the VPN performs reliably in daily use. Checking these community-driven metrics is a practical way to assess if an extension is trustworthy before you give it access to your browser. Once you have chosen a trusted extension, click the Add to Firefox button. This mockup shows the permission window that will appear. It lists the specific types of data and system access the extension requires to function. Take a moment to read this list carefully. Do not click through without understanding what you are authorizing. Confirm that the requested permissions, like managing proxy settings, make sense for a networking tool and do not extend to unnecessary private files. If the permissions are appropriate, click Add to allow the installation to proceed. The browser will now automatically integrate the extension's code into your current Firefox profile. You will see a notification once the process is complete, confirming the tool is ready. The new icon for your VPN will now be located on your browser's toolbar. Checking permissions ensures you maintain control over what external software accesses within your browsing environment. Click the puzzle icon in your toolbar, then select your new VPN to open its main control interface. As the diagram illustrates, you will see a list of global locations. Some are premium nodes, highlighted with locks, while others are available for free. To use the service without a subscription, select a server from the list that is marked for free access. Now, click the Start VPN or Connect button within the extension window. Look for a status change, such as a green icon or an active timer, which indicates your connection is now routed through the VPN server. Your browser traffic is now encrypted, and your IP address is obscured, giving you a more secure browsing session that you can enable or disable at any time.